Hey travelers, welcome back. If this is your first time here, my name is Linda. I'm a travel agent, cruise specialist, and a natural tour guide because I just love showing people around. On this channel, I give you video tours of fun places to go and things to see in the beautiful state of Florida. So don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my tours. Today I am in Port Miami and I am taking you on a magical parade of ships leaving Port Miami. So come along with me on a magical parade of ships leaving Port Miami and enjoy. Welcome to Port Miami. Port Miami is a major seaport located in Biscayne Bay on Dodge Island, at the mouth of the Miami River. It is the largest passenger port in the world, and it is known globally as the cruise capital of the world. All the ships will sail from this port. When it's time for the sail away parade, the ships will leave one behind the other. We are now on South Beach. The people on this end of the beach get a front row seat to see the parade of ships. At the end of South Beach is South Point Pier. This is also a 450-foot fishing pier and the best place to watch the parade of ships as they leave Port Miami, headed to the Caribbean. So, let's get this parade started. We are kicking things off with a few jet skiers. Introducing the beautiful Explorer of the Seas. This is a Voyager-class ship owned by Royal Caribbean International. Her length is 1,020 with a guest capacity of 3,114 and a crew of 1,180. This ship has 14 passenger decks, and her first sailing was in October of 2000. The Explorer was refurbished early 2015 and is currently scheduled for a $110 million royal refurbishment. On Royal Caribbean, you can save up to $550, plus kids sail free, plus 30% off all cruise rates for all guests. Now the specials are subject to change and are time sensitive, so book now to take advantage of these fantastic savings. Let me know the date and how many passengers will be sailing. I can be reached at expectgreatcruises@gmail.com. Introducing the beautiful Carnival Horizon. This is a Vista-class ship owned by Carnival Cruise Line. Her length is 1,062 with a guest capacity of 3,960, double occupancy, to a maximum of 4,977 passengers and a crew of 1,450. This ship has 14 passenger decks, and her first sailing was in March of 2017. Carnival is now offering reduced deposits from $50 per person and up to $50 onboard credit. Now, specials are subject to change and pricing is based on current specials at the time of booking. So, let me know if you would like for me to book a cruise for you on the beautiful Carnival Horizon. I can be reached at expectgreatcruises@gmail.com. The people on the pier are saying bon voyage to the Carnival Horizon, and all the people on the ship are coming up to the rails to wave goodbye to them. They know that they are coming there to wave, so they make it a point to get to the railings. The passengers on the ship are having fun at the sail-away party as they head to the Caribbean. The views from the pier are amazing and also very relaxing. Introducing the beautiful MSC Seashore, owned by MSC Cruises. Her length is 1,112, making this ship the largest vessel in the MSC fleet of cruise ships. The Seashore has a guest capacity of 5,632 and a crew of 1,648. She has 16 passenger decks and 19 decks total. Her first sailing was June of 2021. MSC is offering a fantastic Labor Day sale. They are offering free balcony upgrades, plus kids 17 and under sail free on select sailings, plus up to $500 in onboard credit. The balcony price is the same as the ocean view. And the deposits, if you travel 0 to 4 nights, is only $99 per adult. So come on board. It's time to cruise. Just about all of the cruise lines have lifted restrictions for cruising. If you are vaccinated, you do not have to be tested. If you are unvaccinated, you do have to get a test, but you can come aboard. So let's get cruising. When the cruise ships get to the end of the pier, they make a left turn, they go down into the ocean, and then they make a right turn and follow the other ships. As you can see, they are right behind each other. Introducing Symphony of the Seas. This is an Oasis-class ship owned and operated by Royal Caribbean International. She is the fourth in Royal Caribbean's Oasis-class cruise ships. Her length is 1,184, with a guest capacity of 6,680 and a crew of 2,200. This megaship has 16 passenger decks and 18 total. The Symphony's first sailing was April of 2018. This is a huge ship, but the passengers make their way to the railings and on their balconies to say bon voyage to the people on the pier. They are also having a sail-away party. You can hear the music. This ship is so large, you really need 7 days to experience all of it. Otherwise, you'll have to come back for a second cruise. And if that's the case, give me a call. I can be reached at expectgreatcruises@gmail.com. Introducing the beautiful Disney Dream, owned by Disney Cruise Line. She is the first of the Dream class ships. The Dream has a length of 1,105 with a guest capacity of 4,000 and a crew of 1,458. This magical ship has 14 passenger decks, and she first sailed in January of 2011. Disney's cruise ships are known for their musical horns. Listen. Disney is offering a savings of up to 35% on select sailings. Well, travelers, the Disney Dream is the last ship in the parade of ships today. I hope you enjoyed this magical display of the parade of ships leaving Port Miami. Let me know in the comments if you have sailed on any of these ships. And don't forget to click like and subscribe so you don't miss out on any of my tours. And join me next week for another magical tour on Magical Florida Tours. Thanks for watching. See you next time.